So how did I make my custom shirt? So how did I make this shirt? Well, you're going to keep watching and you're going to find out. So we have this basic red shirt, and the website that I found is Custom One, and they're pretty decent. What's really nice about them is you just order one, and if you want to order a bunch as well, you get savings as well. So it's a custom, uh, here, Custom One online, and here I'm in the designer. I can upload an image. I can choose my device. In this case, it's the alpha. So if I open this, so in this previous tutorial, I kind of show you guys how you can very quickly create your own image for inside of Blender. So let's say if you want to do a logo or alpha transparency on how to do that. So since we have that rendered out, the transparency, now all we got to do for a custom shirt like this is just place it where we want it. Let's say like that. That's pretty good. And then let's do the text. So okay, let's just navigate this downwards, make it white so it pops out. Now we want a font. So when you're doing your own YouTube branded, you want a font that you're going to be using throughout. In my case, it's really easy. I'm just using the Blender font. So the Blender font, the closest thing I could find is this one. And then as bold, and there we go. So I just designed my own custom t-shirt that I'll be wearing from now on. And what I can do is I can click the save design. I can call this go, and then I'm just gonna click save. Oh, and for your save design, in order for it to actually save, you need to create an account for a custom one. And of course, we can just click add to cart, select what sizes we want, and then it'll ship it. So that is how we can create a custom shirt. I got my custom shirt. So here it is. All its glory, Blender for YouTube. See? Looks pretty good. Uh, it's a cotton. There was a little issue with some of the residue of the ink and stuff, but hey, it worked. So there's probably other places, but overall, not bad. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.